What's up, guys? So I got another new toy here. I actually won it in a raffle with Junks RC. Love entering his raffles. Always good products, cool things, harder things to get, so it's kind of cool. And obviously I'm at work again. I haven't finished my hobby room, but let's check this bad boy out here. Oh yeah, the Redcat Racing 64 Impala. So the packaging on this thing is super legit. It's like such a nice box. Fits in there like, you know, tongue and groove stuff if you were doing like wood junk. It's got the cool, nice little logos on there and stuff. And everything just like, you know, you gotta slowly wiggle it to get it up. And then, I'm not sure the exact order. Junks actually opened this stuff up. So this has, you know, got the little antennas, random little small little things you can toss on there, extra sticker kit stuff. Just cool design sticker packet you could put on it if you want. Little details. I'll probably end up doing like a custom wrap with one of my buddies. And then, oh, I think this is the top piece here. There's the controller. Controller is actually super nice. I think that's part of the cost of why it costs so much. But you know, it's got a whole lot of channels in it. It's got, you know, extra buttons here, flappies on the side and stuff. Boom, there's the car. So I have big plans for this thing. Be modding some stuff, putting the sound system in it. Actually, let me take a little goodies first. So it comes with extra weights, doing, you know, different cool things. It comes with a battery adapter. Let me try and pull this thing out. It is a super tight fit. You can see there, it's a pretty tight fit. Let's see what's in the box first. Let's set this down. So it comes with the updated bumpers. Since mine's a new purchase. And I believe these are toe-in parts, the new add-in that they upgraded in there. And I'm not sure what was in here. Oh, it's that charger cable. That was in the bottom pocket there. And the regular, oh, that's the cable you can plug into do like a simulator. So I didn't even know about that at first. Got a couple extra clips in here that fell out, it looks like. So let me get this stuff back in there. And there's the rig. So I played with a few of them, I got a couple buddies with them. They're super nice build. It's crazy that the back weighs a lot, but you know, it's get the hot better. The clips are under the bottom there, and under the bottom and the back. It's a cool little wire wheel look. It's got like a basic interior thing. I'm probably gonna put the subwoofer in the back. It's got cool little details. So it's a super sweet rig. It's actually pretty fast right out of the box. You can see it there, busting out a little stance real quick. Nice details. It's all like GM certified, something or another. So I have my turntable here at work. So I'll slap this on there and give you guys a little closer look at it and how it works.